Hey guys, this is Anthony. Today,
You never seen that movie?
we're doing memes. But McAfee is overprotected, so
the second
I need to turn it off.
Oh yeah, well,
I'm keeping my
the original one
McAfee.
was gory too.
So I would write, just ignore the conversation. That's why I have an editing software. So here's my 8.1 USB.
I'm coming!
Trial was over.
Nah.
Is at risk because my trial had expired. Mom,
I have to go upstairs.
I'm not letting this film you.
And don't ever let asshole touch it.
Okay.
See?
Just ignore the bad words. So anyways, let's jump into this. But before we jump into this, we have one thing to do before we do this.
You already did this.
No, I didn't turn it off. A trial is over. So McAfee is still gonna be overprotected. All you need to do is turn this off.
In 15 minutes.
Is my charger ever gonna? My charger don't work. BRB! I'm back. So let's begin. Since this is off, now let's open memes.
There's two parts. There's the original one that
Memes.
but when it first came out, it wasn't a movie. It was a miniseries. The first night they showed it with them when they were younger, and then the second night they're all older. You know how
I may
in
have
the
to.
movie they promised
Should
to
I
come
pull it
back
off of
if he comes
Wi-Fi?
back.
Yes.
Airplane.
Turn on airplane
Right.
mode and
But now they're making a second
make sure
one,
the
which is
Wi-Fi
gonna
is
be out
off.
next year.
Okay.
They're making a second one when they're adults, when they have to come back to Dory to fight them.
Last warning.
I've never realized that.
They're not responsible for that.
They weren't adults.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, they were. They have it. They have the.
I may say no because I'm too nervous.
It's a
Then why make the
miniseries.
video?
It's split up onto two discs. Well, that's what the original was. It wasn't never a movie. It was a miniseries. So they started it when they were kids, and now
It's going to destroy my partition table and overwrite the master boot record with the Nyan cat. It'll overwrite the master boot record with the Nyan cat.
when they were kids.
Sorry.
And then the second one
Don't
starts
say yeah, it's
when
been.
they were adults.
Look. Amazing.
No, he wasn't really dead.
If you try
Because he
to.
escaped. Right.
Let's just force it off before, or else if we try to end this, it'll do a blue screen. So let's force it off. Let's force it off, Aiden.
And you can't be scared of doing this. That's why you made a video about it.
And then they all come
UEFI computer.
back and everything.
It will not recognize this in UE. Look. Then you'll have to switch to Legacy.
That's why I see that.
That's why you have a drive.
Yes, that's why I have a drive. You need to switch to Legacy. And you need to switch.
That might have been the second part.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
And it'll overwrite your master boot
Because the
record.
book, if you read the book or whatever,
F12.
Sorry.
Sorry. Look, it overwrites your master boot record with the Nyan cat.
Yeah, you're an ass. You were told
Sorry.
not to do that.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out the
That's why we have a USB drive. Look, see? It's. Let's force this off.
That was loud.
I'll get my speaker so I can lower this. Let's just plug my headphone in. It just overwrites your master boot record with a Nyan cat.
I heard you!
It may be too loud.
Alright, so go
I may have
post back on. What the fuck?
Just ignore it.
Pervert. I'm not a pervert!
You don't run
Well-
around a towel wrapped around.
It may do this again.
If it's any consolation, the last time you heard from them was the 14th. Said 3 to 4
It
weeks.
doesn't work with headphones on.
So we're
Let's do
2
it
weeks.
upstairs.
So we're...
So-
Mom doesn't have to hear it.
So let's just jump into the repairs anyway.
Just pause.
Let's just do the repair. Windows 8.1 USB to rescue.
You got a little ingrained fucking room now.
Windows 8.1 USB to rescue. That's why we have a USB drive. It's not based on,
Drink it!
so we need to run.
Your ass.
It only supports in Legacy.
Okay, well hurry up.
So
Tell me to hurry up.
I'm not risking that on the day. I don't. So let's just jump into repairs.
I still can't get onto my.
Why are you doing that on Drigan's touch?
It's my iPod, not Dragon's.
Why are you videotaping?
Yeah.
I need to show my YouTube fans of how to do repairs. Now we
Here,
want to
another
run the
job
start
for you.
repair.
Right.
We would want to run the start repair, and if start repair didn't work, then we'll have to run the start repair.
It might not be
Let's
because I've had it on
run the start repair. It may say attempt. It may go blue for a second.
Yeah.
Start repair worked. Boot straight into the USB, or else Nyan Cat will be there to overwrite again. We'll need to run some commands. Sorry.
They're back friends again, you know.
Who?
Jay and Brian.
Sorry.
And then that's gonna
Just so
pop
you
up.
know.
I'm sorry.
Then you're gonna restart your computer.
You need to. It's not based off of Legacy anymore.
You're gonna hold. You're gonna keep pushing escape. You're gonna go to boot
Back to UEFI.
UEFI, and then exit save changes.
Press F12. You may not want to boot back.
And then
You may want to run some commands. It's not boot off. It's not based off of Legacy anymore.
42% shorter. It might not make your first date 42% better. All these is clinically proven
If it
to
does-
shorten your call by nearly half, guaranteed.
uncover your eyes. You did this.
Okay. It's not boot. It's not based off of Legacy anymore.
Did you like that Nyan Cat?
Yes, it's a Pop-Tart kitty. I know you would want to still.
Mom, can I try getting on
Let's
my
try this again.
Because this is driving me
Would
insane.
wanna
It's not letting me go on my
diagnose
phone.
this.
Get up to someone back.
It may go blue for a
I did,
second.
I signed out, signed back in, I refreshed it all for like the past, actually all day. And it's saying that, oh, please be
And
patient.
it's attempting repairs. It may go blue for a sec, then it will turn back to black. You would want to boot straight into a USB. It may fix our partition tables,
Mine's been, yeah,
but if it didn't work,
Like,
you would want to go back to F12. We have our boot manager back, but we're not ready to boot yet. We would want to run some commands. We got our partition tables back, but we're not ready to boot into Windows at this point. We would want to run some commands.
Does it matter if I erase it?
No? Since Aiden changed the fucking code, it can't
no, I
remember
did
it.
not.
Okay, liar.
Start repair worked for me,
Right, thief?
but we're not ready to boot into Windows yet.
Just had it.
You would want to go back to next, back to repair your computer. You get this Windows 8.1 connected.
Troubleshoot. Advanced options.
Command prompt. You may do boot REC slash
But it lets me on here.
fix boot
It's your phone.
boot
It must be.
rec this slash again fix MBR.
I hope you don't have
And that's not all. Last command is boot rec slash rebuild BCD because the BCD may be deleted somehow.
I message him again since now you're able to get on.
Pope Francis and President Trump don't often see eye to eye on much, but there's at least one issue they're both giving lip service to: fake news. The president often uses the term as a rallying cry, but now the pontiff is warning against the
It didn't delete the BCD, so
new World Communications Day message.
you would want to continue back to that.
A sign of intolerance,
Well,
hypersensitive attitude,
we're lucky
only to the spread of arrogance
that didn't
and hatred.
delete the BCD, so
He says. Francis also pointed out
it didn't.
the fake news.
So
Dates back to the beginning of
it
the month
didn't
when he
delete.
was tempted to
So
take
the
an
BCD is
apple
still
based
exists.
on deception from the serpent. A little biblical
The
lesson.
BCD.
Brian Kilby, what say you to the Pope?
Well, let's start with the book of Genesis, and can I read?
I read there. I like that Genesis fun.
By the way, we have to get over it.
Let's just
There was a bad move by Eve. Let's turn the page. And we did. We finished the book.
now we get
Here's the thing.
after running start prepare we get partition tables back, but that's not all. You gotta run those 3 commands, and then we have our Windows back. I seen some videos of it.
But Angel's Chile creates a lot of controversy when he talks about a bishop that was accused
And now we repaired the computer from MEMZ. Now no need to reinstall. All we need to do is use start prepare, but that's not all that we have to do. And after that, you don't just do that, you just boot
Stop
back
going around in
into
circles.
the USB. And after booting back into USB,
in our case, we think freedom of press is important, but I think you could focus on things
I
like
just didn't want this
Yeah,
to
move. You
interfere.
don't sign in on video.
Okay, so I may have to look. I may have to
Well, Dana, it's interesting. This Pope has weighed in on
look. I have my camera put down so it doesn't
I
see
know.
my password.
and I don't think he's using the
Only
term
because I told you to.
the president does. I think the president uses it when he doesn't.
Look, and that's how we repair computers for MEMZ. And it may overwrite your master boot record with a Nyan cat. I know the Nyan cat. It's a Pop-Tart kitty. So
They emailed me back saying, we will help you check it. Any
So-
information will keep you informed.
it
Well,
may
they're
not boot
keeping me
in
informed.
It may not work in UEFI.
That was
I'm
today.
thinking,
So
maybe
this worked
I should
for
order
me.
another one.
No, we discussed this already.
Yeah.
I had to set this on airplane mode so this whole Wi-Fi doesn't interfere. Now that
So
it's lucky.
let them know that you haven't gotten any information.
We're lucky that we didn't lose everything. And that's how you repair your computer from MEMZ on any computer. Well, after doing that, you need to turn your McAfee back on because McAfee's gonna be overprotected somehow.
With the Argentinian press. So when he was
So we would wanna unplug that.
But now he says we have to give the press its room to.
Now that was a quick video on that. Sorry that Nyan cat thing was too loud. I could have had to bring down my speakers to lower the volume.
The role is not as interesting. So, but he certainly has deviated from the norm and from past popes who have definitely were more circumspect in terms of
It-
commenting on political.
I'm lucky that it did not
viewpoints and things like
delete.
that. I mean, in terms of the fake news there, I don't really have a huge problem with what he's saying here because I think it's
So
true.
this
People
is
should
how you
try
repair your
and get the
computer
facts,
from
do the
memes.
best at their job.
But
I
it'll
abhor
not
fake news as
it'll
well.
not work in
So,
UEFI.
this is one of
You
the
have
routine things. Yeah, that is
less controversial.
yeah.
so
Donald Trump's term.
MCFE McAfee.
Stay with us.
Let's re-enable McAfee because McAfee is protected somehow.
It's weird that Juan and Greg are both not there tonight.
I didn't notice that I had to be in Legacy to do this.
You wouldn't feel good not knowing the price here. Don't let it happen when you buy your diabetes test strips. With the AccuCheck Guide Simple Pay program,
It's not meant for
all
UEFI.
without having to go through insurance. Plus, they come in a spill-resistant vial along with a free meter. Skip the guessing game and focus on your health, not the cost. Make savings simple today at SimplePay.
So this
And
is
it worked.
yes.
$156.28.
It's back. Turn. It's back on. So thanks for watching. More videos coming soon. Remember the previous video we did Dell versus Acer. We already did that the last video. This is how you repair computers for
Shut it
memes.
off.
Thanks for watching. Bye.